Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I found another interesting website. I've been a subscriber to this website for many years. It provides lots of little short articles with links to bigger things related to radios, amateur radio, electronics, and so on. Well, I got one the other day, and it had this title, Historic Radio Books. And this gentleman here has a website with PDFs of old radio books, 1920s, 1930s, 1940s. And you can subscribe to this little newsletter, this Southgate newsletter. Here's some of the other articles in the past. You're tracking ham radio satellites in 1990s, and so on. Down here, you can subscribe. And this is, again, southgatearc.org. That's the website. I'll put the link in my description below this video. Anyway, this is the one that caught my eye. It says see old radio frequency books. You click here. So I'll click there, and here they are. This is free. It's on the internet, and these are dozens and dozens and dozens of PDFs of old radio books. And we can go down here, like here's 73 magazine, dipole and log wave antennas article or book in 1969. Here it is. PDF is opening up right now. And there it is. It's actually a 73 magazine, dipoles and long wire antennas, first edition, 1992. And this was put out by MFJ. And somebody went to the trouble of scanning all this stuff in. And there's the book. Just like that. You go back, or close this one. Let's close that one. Close. And look at them. There's old, what is it? The the radio handbook, 1938. Wow, this stuff really goes back. Here's an antenna book, second edition, 1988 by J. Krause. See what that is? Okay, there's another one. Okay, yeah, I don't want a commercial. And of course, these, like you just saw, these are all links. I'm trying to find one that might be exciting. These are all good. Because the thing is, radio theory and electronics, what was true before is still true today. Here's a pictorial album of wireless and radio, 1905-1928. It was published in 1965. Yep, boy, there it is. That is an old book. And of course, with this built-in PDF reader, you can resize it so you can read it. Where you could buy it. But anyway, that's an old radio. Anyway, this is a great place to go, and the link was in this issue of the Southgate Amateur News. And then there's another link down here to the gentleman's website who has this as another part of his website. This is his main website right here. And we'll go there. I'll try to go there. Come on, wake up. There we go. And this is all the other stuff he has.
2824, any other units break?
Oh, hush.
Robbery,
We don't want to hear about a robbery. Look at all this. I can't believe, you could spend a lot of time reading these old articles and magazines. Now here's some interesting articles about the IC7000, the ICOM multi-band receiver. There's more stuff. Oh my gosh. That's the beauty of the internet. All this stuff is out there for you to look at. So check it out. Like I say, I will put a link. Let me get back to here. Yeah, I'll put a link to Southgate in the description below, and then you can go through all these articles. This is just one of them. And even subscribe like I have to get a news summary of these articles. And it's just a one-liner, and then you click on it and it takes you here. That's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.